Today I show you how to enable the rotation for apps, for websites, YouTube videos, but also for the home screen. I show you this for Samsung Galaxy Android phones. This is OneUI 7 Android 15, and the quick settings, you can change the portrait or auto rotate. That function works for apps, websites, or YouTube videos. You can switch from portrait to landscape mode, but it doesn't work for the home screen. If you want to have the apps themselves rotating the same way a website would, then I will show you how to do that. So this now is the auto rotate function on a website. It's very simple in a browser. It's what you would expect, but normally the home screen doesn't rotate. So when you rotate the home screen, the apps themselves, they will not rotate. You might want to have the phone not rotate at all, so you can disable the auto rotate function and set it to portrait mode in the quick settings. And now you get this little icon where you can press the button next to the navigation buttons and it will rotate the display from landscape to portrait mode. But if you want to force the phone to rotate by itself and also to rotate the home screen, first I show you I enable the auto rotate function. So now the website is rotating as it's normal, like every phone is like this by default. But you can also enable the rotation of the apps. So do a long press somewhere in an empty area of the home screen. When you do the long press or even pinch to zoom out a little bit in an empty area of the home screen, you get the customization settings of the home screen. So in the settings here, you can look at the home screen rotation, the auto rotate settings. You have lots of options here. You can change the size of icons. Here are most of the settings you might want to check for the home screen of your Samsung phone. But what we're looking for now is the rotate to, oops, I pressed the wrong button there. Rotate to landscape mode. When you toggle this option on, then you can really go back from this menu. You don't need to press any save button or anything like this. But now when I rotate the home screen, the phone, the actual buttons, everything changes. So it's easier to read them, and they do rotate back to portrait mode. It's really only way they don't rotate is when it's upside down. This is a pretty good feature. So you don't have your phone upside down. You shouldn't really have it like that. But now the phone rotates for websites and it also rotates for the apps. So it's easier to open apps like that. You can also use the Samsung DeX mode or DeX mode, where you have it as a desktop when you connect a computer screen and keyboard and mouse. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.